Passive income has become a popular topic in recent years, as more and more people are looking for ways to make money without having to actively work for it. In 2024, there are a variety of passive income ideas that you can explore to help supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. One popular passive income idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in a company that pays dividends, you will receive a portion of the company's profits on a regular basis. This can be a great way to build wealth over time, as you can reinvest your dividends to purchase more shares of stock and increase your passive income stream. Another passive income idea is to invest in real estate. You can purchase rental properties and collect monthly rent payments from your tenants. While being a landlord does require some work, such as finding and screening tenants, managing maintenance and repairs, and dealing with any issues that may arise, it can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. If you're not interested in becoming a landlord, you can also consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, such as apartment buildings, office buildings, and shopping centers. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a share of the income generated by the properties in the trust without having to deal with the day-to-day management of the properties. Another passive income idea is to create and sell digital products. This could include ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or software. Once you create the product, you can sell it online and earn passive income every time someone purchases it. This can be a great way to leverage your skills and expertise to generate passive income. If you have a creative side, you can also consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable content that attracts a large audience, you can monetize your blog or channel through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. While building a successful blog or YouTube channel does require time and effort, once you have a loyal following, you can earn passive income from your content. Another passive income idea is to invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms connect borrowers with individual investors who are willing to lend money in exchange for interest payments. By investing in peer-to-peer lending, you can earn passive income from the interest payments you receive from borrowers. If you're interested in passive income but don't have a lot of money to invest, you can also consider starting a side hustle. This could include freelancing, consulting, or selling products online. While these activities may require some active work, once you establish your side hustle, you can earn passive income from the products or services you sell. In conclusion, there are many passive income ideas that you can explore in 2024 to help supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. Whether you choose to invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, digital products, blogging, peer-to-peer lending, or starting a side hustle, there are plenty of opportunities to generate passive income and build wealth over time. By diversifying your passive income streams and investing in opportunities that align with your skills and interests, you can create a sustainable source of passive income for years to come.